Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Holly, and today I'm going to share with you a Walmart grocery haul. It has been a while since I've shared a grocery haul, so I thought I would go ahead and do that today. So I picked up a 5-pound bag of Idaho potatoes. These are a great option for me when I'm home to make just like a baked potato. I really like that. And some Philadelphia cheesecake no bake. This is just the cheesecake filling. It's already made, so you don't have to whip anything up. And I'm going to use this also in a video, but really, like I said, makes making some treats really easy. And you could also put this in a pre-cooked, like a graham cracker crust, and put this in your refrigerator, just like you would with the Jell-O boxes. But this is great for just what I'm going to use it for. Also some snowballs. These will also go in a video. So let's see what I do with that. Some pepperoni minis, some Mexican blend for cheese, some mozzarella cheese, some ground beef, and of course some Christmas tree cakes. We love these. So I got a box of the chocolate and also the regular. And I usually stock up on these because we do like those around the holidays. Some 7-Up Zero Sugar. You'll always find that in my videos. So I have 2 of those. Some Hawaiian Punch, the Green Berry Rush, and that's going to be for a video as well. And I like my peppermint mocha, and you can get this year round. So I do love it more at Christmas time, but I do buy it during the year as well. Some roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Those are our favorites. And very easy, great side dish, quick side dish to make, you know, when you're in a hurry during the week. Some movie theater butter popcorn, that's going to be in a video as well. This Rayo's homemade margarita pizza sauce, some ranch light dressing, some cream of mushroom soup, some cherry pie filling, graham crackers, cake mix, the vanilla cake mix, onion soup mix, macaroni and cheese, and that's like the family size. Also some almond extract, anise, and peppermint. So I was running low on those. Those are my yearly extracts that I use during the year, you know, at this time of the year for baking and stuff like that. Some chocolate melts. So these are the red, the green, that's actually a key lime flavor, and the Wilton has the white ones. It's like the bright white, so I got those as well. Some white chocolate chips, almond bark, I got 2 of those, and some Christmas trees. These are the Reese's, we love those as well. Some red sanding sugar, Oreo Thins, some jet puffed mini marshmallows. I don't know why, I just always buy these every year. I think it's just a nostalgic kind of cookie. So I do buy those just to have. And there's also another one, I can't remember which one it is, but I buy that one as well. It's just nostalgic to have at Christmas time. Some crushed candy canes. And this is non-food items, so wavy texturing hairspray. I do have curly hair. You may not know that from my videos because I straighten it, but I do have wavy hair, curly hair, and sometimes I just like to use that on it. And some hand sanitizer, some Mucinex. The box ended up getting opened. So it's that time of year again, you know, colds and flus and things like that. So I like to have that on hand. Some Carb Balance flour tortillas, and the Sara Lee Delightful bread. This is really good as well. 3 green bell peppers, and some pretzels, and these are just the holiday shaped ones. So I think that is everything that I got for this haul. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I know everybody's getting ready for the next holiday, which is Christmas, so we're trying to do a little bit at a time and get things when I see it. So that's another thing. When you see something, you better grab it, because I think a lot of times things just, you know, they're not there when you go back sometimes. And I've noticed that lately, like with the Christmas trees and things like that. I already noticed that they're going off the shelves. So I try to buy things ahead of time to keep it, for Christmas and things like that. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.